Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious miso butterfish. To begin, gather your ingredients for the marinade. You will need 1/4 cup of white miso paste, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 2 tablespoons of mirin. Whisk these 3 components together thoroughly in a medium bowl. This creates a smooth, aromatic base for your fish. Ensure there are no lumps for the best consistency. Now, prepare 4 individual 6-ounce butterfish fillets, making sure they are perfectly fresh. Pat each fillet completely dry using paper towels. This important step helps the marinade penetrate the fish more effectively. Generously coat all sides of each fillet with the rich miso marinade you just prepared. Place the coated fish in an airtight container, then refrigerate for a minimum of 24 hours, up to 3 full days, allowing the flavors to deeply infuse. It is time to get your oven ready for cooking. Preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, whether you are baking or broiling. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This simple step makes cleanup much easier and prevents your fish from sticking. Gently scrape off any excess marinade from each butterfish fillet before placing them on the sheet. Removing extra marinade prevents it from burning, which could create an undesirable bitter taste. Let's talk about cooking methods. If you choose to broil, place your fillets directly under the broiler for 5 to 8 minutes, keeping a very close eye on them to prevent burning. For baking, cook the fish in your preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Regardless of method, ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, checking with a food thermometer. Always adjust cooking times slightly, depending on the thickness of your butterfish fillets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.